So, after working with so many GLP-1 clinics in 2024, really locking in on what works best, really locking in on how to drive the most inexpensive purchase conversions through advertising channels for locked-in patients, we've finally decided to offer what we do as a software. And it's very easily customizable. You're able to do a lot of it yourself. And I just like to run through what we've got and what's all included. So, of course, we've got the full funnel that we're driving the advertisements to, homepage through to the thank you. You can take a look at the homepage here, but you can see it looks a lot like some of the most highly converting landing pages out there, and very, very easy to customize, as I'll show in a couple of minutes. This right here drives toward collecting information, which drives toward a brief screening survey. And I won't go through all of this, but very easy to customize all of that. Once the survey is complete, it drives toward the purchase page, which again, I'll show in a second, super easy to customize. And of course, the purchase. And once the purchase is made, we are automatically reminding folks and driving them to complete their intake form. All of this is driven by automations that will update to your practice specifics just as soon as you put in your info once. So you don't need to go through, update all of these. It's all done for you. This is text and email driven. So text is where we get the best conversions. That's what this is highly focused on. You can see the automations are named by the trigger that starts them, but all set up for you. Uh, Very easy to customize. So you want to update your palette. You just pop in the form here. That'll update the funnels. That'll update the purchase pages. That'll update the intake form. That'll update the web page that we've set up for you that I'll show you shortly. Same thing with the products. You want to update your product line. Just pop in 3 products, 3 prices, and it'll update that for you. Especially like tirzepatide, we still don't know at the start of 2025 how that's going to shake out. So this is something that will make it just a lot easier for you to be more agile to what's happening. So this comes with a full website as well. The palette, the product line, everything will update automatically when you fill out those forms. And I can show you what we've got going here. All of this, everything on these pages drives toward that purchase funnel. So I click on the Get Started Now, and that's going to drive me to filling out the information. Let me back out from here a bit so that I can sort of click through. All of this is with custom values. So as soon as you update your product line, this updates. You update your logo once, it updates everywhere. You update your practice name once, it updates everywhere. The About section right here. This will also automatically enter people in the ready to purchase pipeline, as well as sending you along the message in the automations. All of this information, thing you update it once, it updates everywhere. Services, this automatically ties into your top 2 products. So we go to compounded semaglutide, but let's just say that I replace that on this form with oral semaglutide. That'll automatically update here. That'll automatically update here, everywhere. And FAQs, this is going to use your top product for the primary portion of FAQs. This all updates again with all of your information automatically. The palette all updates. Everything is practically instant. As well as the contact page automatically updates, and the map will automatically update to your address. Let's see, we can get out of this. This is the opportunity pipeline. So the automations are automatically going to load people in, try and drive them to the next stage, from getting their information to completing the survey to the purchase to completing the intake form. This helps a lot of our practices sort it out internally, whether or not the doctor approves and when the prescription service starts. We have automations that will automatically move over to your practice name as soon as you put it in. And then we have customer win back, which is really important because unfortunately, people will along the line from time to time cancel, and we want to win them back whenever we can. We also provide you with all of the Canva assets used anywhere on the landing pages and the website. This is very easy to update to your palette. Let's say this purple happens to be in your palette. There you go. And just go down the line, update all of them, and pop them in as appropriate. You can see there are a lot of files in here that we provide. And here are the landscape format files. And these are all very easy to modify as well with pretty limited knowledge of Canva. You can go in, say, Pexels or Pixabay and update the model from here, update from here. So this is all, I keep saying this, but very highly customizable with very minimum effort. We also provide a lot of proven assets for you for advertisements. So we separated out advertisements going to men, uh, a lot of different age ranges, demographics in here, ads that are going to women with proven assets. Very easy to update the palette in here, update the logo, make these your own. We also provide more medication focused, not just ads, but assets. So if you want to change this out, easy enough, and you can use these assets anywhere that you like. We've got some medication-based ads here. This right here we use on the purchase page, so you can change this out. Some folks have also run this type of image as an advertisement and done well with it. So clicking through here provides you with, really all that you need. It's practically a practice in a box to get folks up to the point of your EHR. And that the purchase link is below, and the page itself is live on glp1democlinic.com. If you'd like to see the landing page, see the process flow, this is not a link, and we don't want to get in trouble, so we did not A2P verify this demo. We show in another video how to do that for your actual practice. So if you put in your information, you will not receive texts. For better or worse, as far as you're concerned, but you get to see the flow and see how everything ties together. And look forward to helping you succeed.